New from besttradingsignals.net, POWDERKEG X option swing trading signals service. Now the focus here is options. We use a method for profit maximization, and it's just options. You could use stock, but not really. So we use options here, and we have this method that's we've been sitting on a long time, almost forgot about it, and decided to put it to work and let some folks join in on the fun. You're going to learn a lot by experiencing these signals, and you're going to learn a lot by I don't know your experience, but probably you're going to learn some new approaches, new creative approaches for dramatic profiting from options. Okay, dramatic profiting. What am I talking about? Now, I can't promise you future returns and blah, 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 blah. Okay, but let's go look at the systems results here. Let's get this browser into picture. All right, now we'll be adding more of the results. I'm trying to figure out a method to keep the track records up to date on a frequent basis on the website. It's just we're depending on a software guy, and it's couldn't ever get it done anyway. So we have to figure out new methods. But anyways, you can see here. Here's an older example, 2020. Goldman Sachs for 11 months, 665 points. Okay. And that's crazy on Goldman Sachs. I mean, okay, you want more crazy? Caterpillar, 2023, 459 points on Caterpillar. That's nuts. All right, now we have systems that we're punching out 150, even up to 250 points on Caterpillar in 2023. All right, but not like this. So you can see the progression of trades here. This is through the year, so it's a form of swing trading. Okay, and you can see here we want to trade very good reward to risk opportunities of high explosive tendencies. Okay, explosive in price action. Let me clarify that. That word these days is a hot topic. How about that? So, explosive price action. Movement on a price chart. So, think about it. In options trading, what's the best type of trade to do? Well, as soon as you buy, when buying calls and buying puts, that is, the best trade to do, to experience is to first enter into your calls and puts position, and then have the stock explode for huge profit fast, right? Big and fast. All right. Why? Well, in options you have that premium decay thing, right? Of course, the premium decay factor or issue will vary over what option you buy in terms of what strike you buy and how far out. And we're gonna pick our optimal positions, and give them to you in the signal service. You can do whatever you want. All right, you can put on complicated option strategies. You could even put on strangles, or I don't know, straddles, but you could do that. But you can put on these positions now that are shorter term. They're options combinations. Now, I also want to say that I mentioned we're trading moves here that tend to move fast and large. Now, not every move, as you can see here in the track record, not every move takes off. But we're looking here at Caterpillar Caterpillar isn't known to be a high flyer. It can put in some decent moves, right? So let us know what stocks you like, while we're in this initial process here. Some people like the high flyers. I mean, these days we've backed away from a lot of the high flyers just due to people being a little bit cash drained. But let us know, okay? Because trading high flyers with this method too can be dramatic. It can make a ton of money, and it can put in some super explosive moves. And when you have an options position that gets past your strike and just keeps on going, it's okay to pay for a bit of extra premium, all right? If you have that stock that can put in those types of moves on a regular basis. Anyways, as you probably know, to make money in trading, your math needs to work out over time, over a series of trades. You can't go by the weather or the mood of the day, which so many traders do, especially these days. And they go here and there, and they get if there's a bad day, they have a temper tantrum, okay, and they quit and things like that. It's just a lot of stupidity going out there in general, but you can't bring that stupidity into the markets, okay? You can't bring in all this immediate gratification, hopium chasing, dopium chasing, what are the other EMs? Anyways, the dopamine chasing, that people have been trained to do, to respond instantly to social media, get a dopamine hit, or their text message. Actually, if you don't respond to your text message right away, someone's gonna, get mad at you and all that kind of stupid stuff. All right. So we need to get out of that mindset because it causes losing. To make money over time, we have to run it as a real business. And a lot about making money and running a real business is that we have to do a lot of these boring things. Okay, when you hear the word business, you don't think of excitement, do you? No, you're getting down to business. You're getting serious. You're not playing around. You're not goofing around. You're not chasing excitement and all that kind of stuff. Anyways, thought I'd throw that in there because I'm seeing a lot of these losing tendencies at this point in time. But it's good in general. The trading books over the past 100 years or so are filled with this same type of commentary on inner game stuff. Okay, so you need a business plan. Now we have systems. We're selling on besttradingsignals.net. We have a lot of other system sites anyways, and you can check that out if you want to generate your own trading signals. But POWDERKEG X is awesome. I would, if you can, sign up and definitely start watching. Watch over time. Okay, it's not immediate gratification, but if you can net this out in a year on Caterpillar, you're gonna be making some money. All right. Okay. So see the link below. Thank you.